is up, guys? Barbacal346 here, and today we are doing another Crucible gameplay video. In today's video, guess what? I will be showing off the Oversoul Edict, or I like to call it the Oversoul King. This freaking weapon is the most overpowered thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Literally, it's like a Grasp of Malak, like Clever Dragon, but better. And nobody uses it. It's just absolutely amazing. We'll also be using the Binding Blaze and the Unending Deluge. I will see you guys when we are done searching for Guardians. And we are in the match. Alright guys, we're currently heading over to the match. See you guys when we're there. Alright guys, we're in the match. We're actually playing some Control right now. And look at that. This thing fires so fast. Literally zero recoil. Absolutely overpowered. Here, look. I think there's someone over here. Nope, alright. Nice. And why haven't we gotten Zone A? Oh, there's someone. Okay, I just had bad aim there. Watch it. Gone. Dang it, man. Dang it. Maybe we should switch out our Oversoul King for the... Oh yeah, B12 Party Favor. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I just decided to show you the Oversoul at the beginning of the video. It's pretty good. But this thing is so good. Like, pulse rifles are just the meta now. That's it. Pulse rifles. I mean, I can defend myself, right? No one's on the radar, so... No way we're gonna take all the zones. Come on, can I beat him? Yep, got it. Ah, crap. Let's see, there might be a lot of... Ooh, definitely a lot of people. Jesus Christ. Yeah, all I have is Zone B right now, and they're taking Zone C back. Gotcha. Amazingly overpowered. Goodbye. Wait. Nice. There's still probably people over here. Got one. Ah, he's low. Yeah, they're trying to capture... No, we're trying to capture Zone C. They're trying to get Zone B. Exactly. Oh, I just got Nova bombed. We're still definitely in the lead. They're not gonna overcome us unless they... Ooh, yo. Nice. I just got a bounty done. Yay. I think a lot of people can see why I call this completely overpowered. Like, this is the king now. Ow, that hurts. Got him. Oh, he's trying to pulse rifle us. Oh, that's not a pulse rifle. That's what you call it? Fusion. Yeah, fusion rifle. Anyone? Nope. Alright. No, we can't let them take both. Alright, let's grab out our setter. No, there were 2 of them. 3 of them, actually. This thing actually does fire fast if you, like, really try and go. See? But then you can't really land those headshots, and it's not that good. Ooh, we got some. Got him. Let's grab zombie. Ooh, no. Nope, we're dead. Alright, let's try and rock and roll with this heavy ammo. Alright, we're good. Bruh. Alright, let's take this. Yeah, we got 4 people on this. We are not going to lose this. Oh, no, no, no. Nope. Nice. I'm still trying to get a kill with this Unending Deluge. It's really good. Oh, come on, bruh. That makes me mad. Alright, whatever. He was using Telesto. Telesto's an amazing weapon anyway, so... Oh, come on. I thought I could kill him. Man, I'm seeing all these tryhards with the... what you call it? Cryptic Dragon. Yeah, you're trying to take our zone? No. How about that? Oh, there's someone right in front of me. Let's get that. Got him. I think that guy's using Hard Light. Hard Light is a terrible weapon. Oh, he got annihilated. Whoa, Arc Blade, chill. That guy, as I always say, people who come in with the Arc Blade come in like a wrecking ball. They just wreck you. That's it. Hard Light, yep, like I said, using Hard Light. We got 5 minutes left in the match. I'm gonna head off to Zone B, see you guys when we're there. Oh, anyone here? No, he's taking lots of damage. Oh, he's down, he's down, he's down. What's that? Oh, that's a grenade. Stay away from that. They're all gonna start coming. Got one. We're good? We're good. Nice. Oh, that's a Hard Light. That is a Hard Light tryhard. Well, maybe Hard Light's not so terrible at all after the buff to auto rifles. Yeah, that Hard Light completely annihilates. Goodbye. Alright, we're capturing this. Yeah, Zone B is the main thing everyone tries to go for. Alright, let's grab the special ammo. I'm gonna end off the recording soon after this match, which is about to end real soon, so. Ooh, we got him. And don't worry, guys, a Overwatch video will be coming out at around 4:00 p.m. today. And, yeah, we'll be playing as the one and only Bastion. Nope, they're still trying to take Zone B. Ooh. Hello? Oh. I just got wrecked by that wormwood. Yep, we've nearly... Wait, what? I thought we were winning. It's not even close. Yo, how the heck? Maybe they're just getting a lot more kills than us. Alright, that Hammer of Soul was a tryhard. Okay? Just understand that. Wait, I'm gonna head over to Zone A, try and tether. Dude, that freaking Hard Light. Oh, crap. Well, oh, hello. Crap. Alright, let's check out loot, and I'm gonna end off the recording. Crap. There we go. Let's see what we get. Everyone else got good stuff except me. Wait, no, I got Red Spectre. See, every time I see that other people get good stuff, I don't think it's me. But I got Red Spectre. Woohoo! Alright. Then, Red Spectre gameplay coming soon. Winky, winky. Anyways, guys, that's going to have to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, comment, all that good stuff. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!